See now effect of this catalyst. Catalyst provides an alternate pathway or reaction mechanism by reducing the activation energy between reactants and products and hence lowering the potential barrier. Let's understand this one through graph. See, you know this graph, this is a graph of potential energy versus coordinate axis. See, in this graph, let me explain you once again this graph. See, here will be the reactant. If you give this much amount of activation energy, that is energy required to form intermediate compound. If you give this much amount of activation energy to reactants, it will form intermediate compound or activated complex that is very unstable, then that will immediately decompose into products. This is the actual meaning of this graph. See now, this darken path will indicate a reaction without catalyst. This is reaction without catalyst. And see, for this path, this much amount of activation energy is required. And see now, this dotted path will indicate reaction with catalyst. Reaction with catalyst. See, for this reaction, only this much activation energy is required. Now compare path of reaction without catalyst and path of this reaction with catalyst. See, for reaction with catalyst, activation energy is low, and reaction without catalyst, activation energy is high. So what it indicates, catalyst will reduce the activation energy of the reactant. So only it is providing alternate pathway, see, by reducing the activation energy. See, if activation energy is low, rate of reaction is high, because lower activation energy means very little bit amount of energy is required to start the reaction. So catalyst will, by lowering the activation energy of the reactants, increases the rate or speed of the reaction. That's what this sentence. Catalyst will provide alternate pathway or reaction mechanism by reducing the activation energy between reactants and product, hence lowering the potential energy barrier. Lowering the potential energy barrier means, see here, for reaction without catalyst, this much is potential energy barrier. For that overcome that potential energy barrier, only you are providing activation energy to make them active to overcome this potential barrier. See, for reaction with catalyst, only this much is potential barrier. So potential barrier is reduced, no? That's what this sentence. You know that lower the value of activation energy, faster will be the rate of reaction. This is by Arrhenius equation. Watch next part of the video to know about all these characteristics of the catalyst. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Like the video, share the video, and spread worldwide to help others.